If you'd like an email notification every time a spreadsheet is changed, it's really easy to do. From within the spreadsheet, if you go to Tools and then Notification Rules, you've got an option of choosing to be notified whenever anybody makes any changes, or if it's a form, whenever a user submits a form. And depending how frequently the spreadsheet's going to be updated, you can either have a daily email with a summary of all the changes, or if it's only going to get changed once or twice a week or something infrequently, an email straight away is probably most appropriate. Press save, job done. You need to do that yourself from within your own account because it is personal to you. So if you select notifications, only you'll receive emails. Anybody else who has access to that spreadsheet won't receive emails unless they go into the spreadsheet and do exactly the same.